Hi there! In this video, we'll be showing you how to design your email using the basic content blocks of Brevo's drag-and-drop editor. We'll walk through the essentials: text blocks, spacers, dividers, images and videos, and lastly, buttons. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. If you haven't set up your brand library yet, head to the Style tab in the left panel. That's where you define your global fonts, colors, logo, and social links. One click on Apply Brand Assets, and your entire email is on brand instantly. You can also define a fixed content width. We recommend keeping it between 600 and 900 pixels to keep all your blocks aligned and consistent across your email. Now let's talk about text blocks. To add a text or title block, simply drag it from the Content tab on the left and drop it into your email canvas. From here, you can change the text's layout, spacing, and background color. You can, for example, control line height to improve readability and add padding to give your text some breathing room. When you click inside the text itself, an inline toolbar appears. This is where you format your content. Make it bold, italic, add an underline, change colors, or insert links. Apply your text styling first and then add your link. Adding a link afterward helps prevent unexpected formatting changes. In case you copy and paste your text from another tool, use the Clear Formatting button to remove any unwanted text styles. You can also apply paragraph styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, or body text to keep your layout consistent. You can also personalize your text message. Click in the text where you want to insert your variable, and using the Add a Variable icon, insert variables that will adapt to each recipient, such as contact attributes like first name or city. Every email will feel custom-made for each recipient. And here's where it gets even better. Highlight any text, click the AI icon, and you'll see options to rephrase, fix grammar, change tone, translate, or even generate brand new content from scratch. Once your text is in place, let's talk about two small but powerful layout tools: spacers and dividers. A spacer block is invisible. It simply creates blank horizontal space between your content blocks. Use it to prevent things from feeling crowded. Adjust the height to control exactly how much space you need. A divider block adds a visible horizontal line, perfect for separating sections like your header from your main content. Customize its thickness, style, color, and width to match your design. Both are simple tools, but they make a huge difference in how clean and scannable your email looks. Now let's add some visuals. Drag an image block into your email. You have several options for adding images. Upload your own, browse the built-in stock image library, select a GIF, or use the Canva integration. Keep your assets organized by using folders in your content library. You can also take advantage of Brevo's AI features to generate a new image or edit an existing one. Make sure your images do not exceed 5 megabytes, as larger files may cause errors. Once your image is set, don't forget to add alt text. It ensures your message gets across even when images don't load. You can also add a link to your image, making it easier for your clients to reach your website. From the same panel, you can adjust alignment, add a border radius for rounded corners, and change its color. Brevo also offers the possibility to edit your image. Just click on Edit in the side panel. From here, you can crop, flip, and rotate, or change the ratio. Add a filter if you like, and adjust the image settings like saturation or contrast. You can even add text to your image to make it pop. Once you adjust an image and save it, Brevo will automatically create a duplicate of the original with all the changes you've made in your content library. That way, you can always go back to the original if needed. Now that your image is set, you can click on it and resize it however you like. You can also add a video block, which works in a very similar way to the image block. Drag a video block into your section and paste in your video URL from YouTube, Vimeo, or any other supported platform. You can also add a tooltip text that will appear as a help text when hovered, but it is completely optional. Brevo will automatically generate a thumbnail for you, but you can replace it with an image of your choice. You can also customize the play button style along with all the usual settings like alignment, size, and padding directly from the side panel. One key thing to know: emails don't actually play videos online. Instead, Brevo displays a thumbnail with a play button overlay. When a recipient clicks it, they're taken to the video in their browser. Think of it less like embedding a video and more like adding a compelling, clickable visual. Finally, buttons. Your call to action. Once you've added your button to your canvas, click on it to customize. Choose your link type, whether it's a click to website or a click to call phone number. Then add your link URL, style the background and text color, adjust the border radius for square or rounded corners, and finally, control alignment and padding to make it stand out. A clear, bold, well-designed button is what turns a reader into a customer. The drag and drop editor also lets you design the mobile version of your email. We'll cover that in a dedicated video. Before sending, don't forget to preview and test your email. You can preview how your email looks across different inboxes, or send a test email to see it in action before hitting send. That's it! You now have everything you need to build professional emails using content blocks.